So we're moving into the last sort of 5 minutes or so now. Back to the sort of golden thread now and that sort of required digital audit trail. Imagine this is a typical project at the moment. The client may say, okay, I want the door sets to be from a particular manufacturer. The designer then does the design and picks from that manufacturer's product range. The contractor then buys the product ready to install. Somebody then inspects it, and then 2 years later, somebody replaces that door. At this point, when asked the question, does this meet the original design intent? Nobody can answer that at the moment without going through boxes and boxes and boxes of paper, looking through old emails. And it's a very expensive process to answer a very simple question. And where we need to go is build that thread of information through the timeline. So you've got the initial brief, you do the design, and then you can check, you can verify that design against the initial brief. Are we using the door set from that particular manufacturer that the client asked for? Prior to construction, again, this goes back to the Hackett consultation documentation. Does the principal contractor sign off and say that the door that's been purchased is the same as the one that's been designed? In the case where it's not, are the rules of submittals followed? And you can actually check to make sure it gets a thumbs up because it either meets that performance or exceeds it. So in this situation, the contractors said, we can get this door cheaper, and it's actually a higher fire rating or it's a higher acoustic rating with the same third-party certification. Finally, when the subcontractors finish the job, can you tick that off against the information prior to construction? And then 2 years later, when that door fails, is the replacement door suitable? And that's the information you need at your fingertips to be able to make those decisions. All the way back from the brief 3 or 4 years ago to when that item's getting replaced. And I think that's where we need to aim for, and it's through modeling correctly and all of the information that connects to the model, such as specification.